Hi, I'm Steve from Nearly Wild Camping. I'm actually the founder of Nearly Wild Camping. We started 8-9 years ago, I think it is now, working off our own small holding. It's a member-owned organisation. We're nearly 7,000 members and we've got about 230 locations across the UK. The locations are a combination of, some are very low-key commercial sites that want to have people like our sort of campers, and quite a lot are member-only locations where you can go and stay. The whole point is that you get an experience which is wilder and more natural. You experience that kind of immersion in nature. That's the aim. So it's not about turning up with somewhere where you've got people camping right next door to you. They're quiet locations, very few people on them, and the whole thing is about that nature relationship experience. If you're interested in joining, there's a website with all the information on it. It's £24 a year to join, and that basically pays for the administration of the organisation. And the final thing I'd say is there's a whole range of different types of locations, so you choose how wild you want it. It's not about you have to go to somewhere really extreme. Equally, if you like something that's a bit more extreme, you don't have to go to something that feels like you're being pampered. We are doing now, we're building a bit of a community because there's so many of us, so we're starting to do some online talks, get people together for socials, and working with people who run these YouTube channels and other things to build up, if you like, a bit of a story and more content so people can get a better experience out of camping.
And where can we find you at?
You can find us at nearlywildcamping.org.
Cool, thank you.